All right, got a huge problem here. And how do we solve a huge problem? Start by solving a small problem. And if you solve enough small problems, you're eventually going to find your way home. I removed our strategies. I hope you understood and you remember what the strategy is. First step is we want to simplify if possible. So I see a couple places to simplify. Distribute the 2 across this term, so then I'll have a 2x minus a 6 minus 17 equals 13. Minus 3 times x gives me a negative 3x, and then negative 3 distributed across that 2 produces a negative 6. Sometimes somebody might just leave that as a positive 6 because they distributed this 3 across the 2. But we need to remember that there's a negative or subtraction here that's also in play. This is the place where I see most mistakes occur. So if that's you, go back and really cement in your head what's happening there and why. All right, we can still simplify, it looks like. 2x minus a 23 equals 13 and negative 6, looks like a 7 minus a 3x. We can collect some terms now. So we can add, so we have a 2x minus a 23 equals a 7 minus a 3x. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Two x and 3x is a 5x. Still have that negative 23 hanging around. And then a 7. Let's add 23 to both sides. Five x is all that I'm left with on the left side. So 5x equals a 30. What should we do now? To isolate the variable is divide both sides by that coefficient. Doing so, I'm left with x equals 6. Again, a complicated problem, going step by step, one step at a time, turned it into a relatively easier problem, but I was able to find the solution systematically. Never would have gotten that just by trying to plug numbers into the original equation.